when things don't work out, just take it how it is. I already got my birthday nails done. This is the second one. I'm not gonna be mad. 26! Welcome back to another episode of Self-Care Session. I think this is the third one, yeah. But this week, we are a lot. And there's a big thing. At the end of the week, it's my birthday. I'm turning 26. 26. This is insane. But you know what? We gotta grow up. And getting older is a blessing. So you know what? I'm gonna take it. So this week, I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do. But I know there's a lot of self-care sessions that I'm gonna do. So that's why I've decided to film it. I'm gonna get a pedicure, a long-awaited pedicure. I already got my birthday nails done. I did like a pearl thing. My nail tech was like, are you going on vacation? I said, nope, I'm keeping it chill this year. So last year I went to Belize for my 25th because my birthday's on the 25th. So it's like my golden birthday. But this year, I'm gonna keep it chill. I feel like 26 is giving mature. We're gonna do like a tea party, but I wanted to do an etiquette class this week for my birthday. So I wanted like my friends to come and we're gonna do dining etiquette and stuff, but it was taken. Maybe I have to go myself another time, but also, I wanted to prep for my birthday. My sister's gonna do like this wig on me. I am so excited for the look. I'm praying that it all comes together. But I want this to be very much elegant. So 26 just gives mature and elegant. And so I wanted to do tea party theme. But the thing is, my cousin and my sister, they're planning it. And you know, I love control, but I gotta let go this time because they're like, you don't know how to be surprised. I'm like, okay, fine, you can plan it. So I don't know exactly what's gonna happen, but I know it's gonna be Saturday, midday, almost like brunch time. So I wanna prep for that. So this week it's mainly birthday prep, but also I got a lot of things to do. There's a lot. Taxes, getting that together. My friend is moving, so I'm helping him move. It's very exciting, bittersweet, because it's like, you know, a friend is moving. Every time like a friend moves to a different state or something like that, it's like, mid-20s is very bittersweet, so I'm also processing that, but I know it's gonna be fun. So for today, I've actually been having really bad cramps, and if you know, I was on birth control so that these cramps can go away, but I got off because I didn't want to be on synthetic hormones, and I was just on it for that. So I'm taking all of this just to not have period cramp pain. I got off. The pain is back. It's not like as I remember it, but it's still like to the point where yesterday I was laying down in bed for like a couple hours. So I stayed a little bit. That's why I haven't even done my hair. It's like cramped station. But the thing is, I was supposed to start Saturday, which is like my birthday event. But look at God, it came 5 days earlier. I've just been trying to take it slow. I've also been trying to cycle sync. So I just went to the grocery store. I'm gonna show you what I got, but I'm trying to eat according to my cycle. So right now I'm in my menstrual phase. So it's a lot of hot food, red meat, fatty foods, like, not fatty foods, like good oils, avocado. I had avocado toast this morning with turkey bacon. So I'm trying to follow these things because, you know, it's gonna come to a point where months later, I'm gonna be so in sync and like cycle syncing, fixing my diet, how I exercise. My mood is gonna change. There's everything, and I just wanna see in a couple months how the cycle syncing is gonna affect my cramps. Let me show you what I got from the grocery store. I actually put half of the things away, but I have this snack that I discovered like a couple weeks ago. It's grapes with lime on it. So good. So we're gonna make that because that's what I want. But right now I wanna make Cajun chicken pasta. So I'm gonna make that. I'm trying to cook more because, you know, practicing to be a grown woman, to cook for myself, to cook for my future family. So this is the time to learn. Like, there's no excuses to be like, I can't cook, because I'm not gonna be ordering out for my kids and husband when, you know, in the future. Let's make the great bowl because I'm craving that right now. Lately, I've been feeling a shift coming, and for some reason, change just feels uncomfortable. I'm turning 26 and I feel a good kind of change coming my way. And when I was younger, I loved change. It was like an adrenaline rush for me. I even moved across the country without even knowing anyone, but for some reason, it feels uncomfortable now. And as I turn 26, I am learning to adjust even when it feels weird, because I know God is a good God and he has a good future for me. And change is good. That means we're evolving. So I have to keep reminding myself that not everything we plan will go exactly the way we want. So when things don't go your way, just adjust and trust God, because that's what I want to be doing. One thing I'll take this next year is let go of control and let God. If it's not in my control, I can't do anything about it. And if it is, then I will. But one thing I have learned this last year, which kind of surprised me, is I love having some type of control in situations. Like, for example, this birthday party, my sister and my cousin were like, please let it go. I just kept wanting to be part of the party committee, and they were just like, just trust us and we got it. And they did. So I'll be putting my trust in him and also accepting that it's okay to let others do things for me. But this next part of the video was really testing me, because you just gotta watch it. Hi y'all. Today's the day where we're gonna do the event, and my sister's actually supposed to put this wig on me. This lovely wig. You probably have seen it. You probably have seen me wear it like a bunch of different times. Don't mind the mess in the background. I'm home and I just ate breakfast. I don't know if I mentioned, but it's actually a couple days later. So today's February 22nd. My birthday's February 25th, but we're doing the event today. We were supposed to do an etiquette class, but that didn't end up working out. So my sister and my cousin, they were like, just leave it to us. Let us do something. So it's like a surprise party, but I basically know everything. Here's my sister. She's gonna be doing my install.
I'm gonna do a bob. The inspo is from Serena from Love Island, USA.
And I was like, yes, especially the twirl in the front.
She had like a double curl twirl thing on her eye.
Yeah, and like the theme for today is tea party, elegant. We got gloves. I hope the hats go in. I'm gonna come in, but let's start. I look crazy. This part always makes me feel like I'm Dobby from Harry Potter.
You're saying it.
What is it?
I don't know.
Doobie? How do you say Dobby from Harry Potter? Is it Dobby or? So there's a huge problem. The party room, somebody took it. And the crazy part is you can either reserve it or it's just first come, first serve. So when I asked the lady, hey, like, do I need to reserve it? She said, there's nobody there. Like, you can just go there early. So they went earlier to do that, but somebody's doing a potluck with their family there. I'm not gonna be mad yet, okay? But at the same time, the room, they're ready to decorate, but the room is taken. And the room is gonna be taken until like, I don't know how long. And so it's like, is it gonna happen? Is it not? And I can't do it tomorrow. I have plans, other birthday plans. And then my birthday's Tuesday. Everyone has work, so they can't come. So it's like, I should have reserved it. But my sister was like, why are you reserving if something is free? It just feels so like not organized right now. But I want to see, it will work out in Jesus' name. When I edit this, I'm going to be laughing like, haha, you had a great time. Also, my hair's like this. And did I mention I don't have my dress? Yeah, I was trying to pick it up this morning. My sister was supposed to do my hair yesterday. Like, everything just seems like it's crammed right now. But it will all work out. I'm having hope. I'm not gonna be mad, because usually these type of things, it gets me mad. Things are not going my way. I'm mad. My mood is ruined. By the time everything works out, like, my mood is already ruined. But I'm not gonna let that happen. I will celebrate. And I know, like, my sister and my cousin put so much thought into this, so much detail. Like, they've been working on it the past week, like, a lot, just on FaceTime. And so I am praying right now. Everything will work out. Now let's go and get this dress, and hopefully they have my size. Like, at this point, I'm like, it's my fault too. It's on me. I'm not even gonna blame it on anyone else. I should have done this earlier. And if I did this earlier, like, even my hair, I had to do it today because of this twirl. I love my hair. Like, one of the things that's keeping me sane is just having my hair looking like this. Also in the back, I have all the gloves, like the tea party gloves and the hat. It will work out. It will work out. Okay, I just came back. I got 2 dresses because I don't know which one to get. They still don't have the room. They said they're supposed to be out by 8. We were supposed to start this at 4. They were supposed to set up. We just need a couple hours, but people just can't be late. That's the thing, because we're already pushing it back. That's the thing. But I'm not trying to stress. I got some sweet greens. I got both dresses. I'm definitely returning one. Maybe even both, because when am I gonna wear this Easter dress? My sister and my cousin, they're coming up to cook some things up here. But there is a kitchen in that room, but you know, it's occupied. And then I have this over like this, but then I have my white gloves. But this is almost like a bodycon. The scarf.
That's so cute.
White gloves.
Does it fit the thing?
So I got both.
Why don't you just like take pictures with those two?
No, I'm gonna definitely take a picture with that. This, yeah, I'll
like that one.
This one to wear?
Hair, yeah.
Yeah.
I love that.
The camera caught me red-handed.
Which one? That's so cute. I was walking up those stairs. I'm getting ready, doing my makeup. I want to do something light because it's like tea party, so I want it to be pinky, blushy, very light. So I just put some blush. I also put foundation. I usually don't put foundation, and I just wanted it to be even. I only do it for like special occasion. Update. The people that took the room said they'll be out by 8. So hopefully they are out before that. My sister and my friends, everyone is in the living room and we're just waiting. Honestly, I don't know what's going on, but at the same time I do. So I know that they're doing like a tea party for me, but I don't know the details. And I don't know like what food they need to make. So if they do, then they'll make it here. But at this point, like when things don't work out, just take it how it is. And that's something I had to learn the past few years. Like if it doesn't work out, then it doesn't. Like God's will. Like I've been praying that everything will work out, and it will, because you know God is a good God and he wants me to have a good birthday. You just have to think of stuff like that, because I always wanted control. So when things used to not work out, or plans, like if it's not the exact way in my head, then I would be so mad. But let me know if you can relate, because that used to like literally take over my brain, because I'm like, it was supposed to be like this, we were supposed to start at this time, I was supposed to wear this, and I was supposed to make this video exactly how it's supposed to be. And if it just doesn't work out, I've just been learning how to adjust. Like that's the lesson maybe of this video, is to adjust, because I thought everything was gonna go smooth, but you know, life is not like that. I know everything's gonna work out. I just put on, I love this Dior concealer, and it's in the shade, what is it? I'm pretty sure, oh, 3.5N. So good. Plus I have dry skin, so it just goes with my skin. It doesn't dry my skin. But yeah, I've just been learning how to adjust, because life's not that serious. You know what? Because one thing about me, I used to be a warrior. Not like a warrior, like I used to worry a lot. And I get that from my mom, I'm pretty sure. Everything will work out. Like I love how my hair looks. Get my makeup done. We're gonna eventually get into the room, so. But I think they went down to check if they left or for any updates, because I'm pretty sure they have to start setting up the food. But do you see how my sister did the wig? It, like from back here, it looks like my own hair. Every time she does some type of like hairstyle on me, never misses. She never misses. For like foundation, I wore the Fenty stick. It's not really, it's like very light foundation. Nothing, it's not full coverage, it's very light. For blush, and it's in Chili. This is my favorite one. How pink it is, it's the right amount. I also have blush, powder blush. This is from Benefit Coral. I don't know if I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna see. I don't want it to be too much. This is the Hourglass powder, the Veil. I got it as a PR, and when I tell you, I love it. I'm gonna repurchase this. I think it's a translucent powder, but I put it right after my concealer. It doesn't crease, but it also gives me like that airbrush look right under, because I struggle with like sunken dark circles, and it also like sinks a little. So when I put this on, it gives that illusion of like it doesn't have that. I also forgot to pluck my eyebrows, so I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. In a few weeks I have a trip coming up, so I'm gonna do like my maintenance, everything, you know, waxing, getting my eyebrows threaded. I'm also doing my nails again, because this was my birthday nails. I'm gonna go back to something flatter and not 3D. At this point, I might just help them set up for the party. I never thought I would wear anything like this ever. I'm glad I bought both dresses, just so I have something. But I think it's the gloves that really just made everything. Yeah. I still have the clip on because my sister's gonna like do a little more, but I'm doing like a video, so I wanted to see which dress to wear. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wear this, but I have another one that I'm gonna try on. This is the second one. It doesn't give tea party, but this is the original dress I wanted to wear. I don't think it's for a tea party, right? It's not, but it's cute. Like when I was younger, I always would see like people on the runway or like red carpet, whatever, wear these scarves with their dress, and I was like, they're so cool. Look at me. This is the second one. It's cute. But it's just, do you see how unproportionate? I have the safety pin, but I'm just gonna take pictures with this.
Wait, I love.
Right? I'm like, I don't know which dress.
The dress for the actual tea party, yes, but for this, for pictures.
Yeah, okay. Do you guys need a water?
Water.
Help us. Wow.
The room is finally free. We can start decorating. Okay, not me, because they told me to get out. But look what she made me. Look what she made me. Look at this. And it says 26.
Which one's real? Which one's not?
They're almost done setting up and I think it's almost like 10 p.m. but I took pictures with the with this burgundy dress, and now I'm gonna change to this. I'm already starting to feel like the tiredness, so I might drink coffee. I just can't wait to see like how they set it up and how everything turns out. So excited. And I'll be right back. We're back. I'm done with pictures. I think I got all the videos that I need. We're gonna make a couple group TikToks, but now I'm just ready to enjoy the tea party. The last piece of this fit. Look at everybody. 1, 2.
Sister, close the door.
Let her come in.
Oh my god! Please look at them. Surprise! So cute! Oh my god! This is it. Thank you guys. There's a menu. This is it. Oh, you really did this? Victor, you really did this? 26? Guys, this is insane.
Happy birthday! You guys, eat up buttercups. There we go. 26! She can eat and I get it. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. And that's a wrap.